Okay, the final part of my process here is to line up my new artwork with the foreground elements that I've already built. So I made them quite a bit higher resolution than they needed to be, as I turned them from a vector thing into a pixel-based artwork. So I'm just making sure that they're around about the same angle that the rest of the artwork was. That looks okay there. Oh, in fact, I think that might be off. It's funny, might just have to do that again. Just as I hit the button, it looked wrong. So just scaling that back down again. I'm going to let them be quite small. So I want that nice sort of pattern there. Now, let me just get this right. In fact, why don't I line it up on the existing artwork? That would make a lot of sense. There it goes. What do we say? Minus 20 something-ish. Beautiful. Now I'll just sort of bang that out over here so I can see I've got this one diagonal coming from the top left corner, and in terms of a design I've got the other artwork coming from the bottom right hand corner. Just going to line that up so it looks a bit sort of nicer. I don't have any little daggy bits sitting anywhere. Whatever, that's good enough. Bringing back my body copy and my headline text, obviously that's no longer working there, so I'm just going to shuffle that into the background. I'll apply a bit of a layer mask, and I could use the pen tool or the polygonal lasso tool. Too easy.